Hello friends, this is Gajanan Meshram, a retired mechanical engineer. Welcome to my channel. Today I brought you a story of industrial gatewalls. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and comment video to encourage me to bring such informative videos for you. So let us begin the story. Let us understand what gate wall is. Gate wall is an isolation wall. Gate wall has a gate-like closing element. It moves up and down perpendicular to the path of fluid flow in the wall body. When gate moves upwards, fluid flow path gets open, and when the gate moves downward, it restricts the fluid flow path and wall gets closed. Gate wall provides the straight-through obstruction to passageway, which results in minimum pressure loss. Gate walls are designed for fully opened and fully closed services. They are not used for flow regulation purposes. Gate wall bonnet design: 1. Bolted bonnet design. 2. Welded bonnet design. 3. Screwed bonnet design. 4. Union bonnet design. Bolted bonnet gate wall. Bolted bonnet gate wall is a type of gate wall which offers sealing in larger wall and applications for high pressure. In bolted bonnet gate wall, body and bonnet are bolted and flanged together. Welded bonnet gate wall. Welded bonnet gate wall is a type of gate wall which offers sealing in smaller walls for high pressure application. In welded bonnet gate wall, body and bonnet are seal welded together. Threaded bonnet gate wall is a simple construction and low cost design. There is fragility in this setup. The gasket of wall bonnet closely attached to the rotating surface. This leads to friction during tightening and loosening. This results the joint surface to damage, thus causing leakages. Another drawback is as the wall size gets larger, the torque required to tighten the wall increases significantly. Therefore, this bonnet type is usually limited to nominal size of DN 80 and below. Gate wall designed by stem: 1. Rising stem gate wall. 2. Non-rising stem gate wall. Rising stem gate wall. These walls have external threads on the wall stem. The gate wall stem is moving up when the wall is opening. Rising stem walls are usually made from cast or forged steel. Rising stem gate walls can be used in high pressure rating from class 2500 or up to 420 bar. Rising stem gate wall opening is easy to identify. Wall is open or closed is seen by the amount of stem that is exposed. Non-rising stem gate wall. Non-rising stem gate wall has the internal stem threads. It is known as the rotary stem gate wall or the blind stem gate wall. The stem rotates to open and close the gate, but the stem does not move up or down as it rotates. As the stem rotates, it moves in and out in the wall gate disc, which also moves the gate to open or close the wall. Non-rising stem takes up less space and are ideal choice where space is limited. Normally an open-close indicator is. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment on the video to encourage me to make more videos for your information.